Hello, I'm Dr. Arshnoor from Dr.Arshnoor's IELTS Institute. Today I'm going to start with some of the topics in the first part of speaking. Let's start with the first topic, that is about sun. The first question would be asked to you by the examiner. Do you like to go into the sun? See students, so this is all about you. It need not to be fake. You can easily go with your own opinion that yes, I do like to go to the sun in the winter season because I feel cozy, comfortable while sitting in the sun on my terrace or in my backyard or the yard of the house. You may say that winter season is the best season to enjoy sun, as we know that sun is best provider of vitamin D. You can say that it is essential for the bones, and I love to be in the sun in the winter season, and I love the sunshine in the winter season. Then the next question could be, some people avoid going out in the sun. Here you may answer that it is due to it's not a myth, but it's a reality. Ultraviolet rays sometimes damage the skin. So that's the reason the people who are beauty conscious, they don't like to sit in the sun or open sky, because they feel that their skin tone will be damaged and there would be blemishes on their skin. But I love to enjoy sun in the winter season. Obviously, it is difficult to sit in the scorching hot days in the summer season, but we can enjoy the sunshine in the morning, early morning part, that is dawn. DAW and dawn means early morning part of the day. So you can say that I enjoy the sunshine at that time, because at that time the sun rays are not very harsh and we can easily enjoy that part of the day. Then the next question is, there any particular time when you like to sit in the sun? You can easily say in the winter season, yes, it will be the noon. But in the summer season, we can enjoy the sunshine only at the time of the dawn, when the sun is just going to rise. So see, some of the areas are specialized for sunshine, like the rising sun that is enjoyed at the beaches like Goa, or there are many places where these spots are visited by the people to enjoy the sunshine in the early morning time, that the dawn time, and also at the sunset time. These are very famous in Kanyakumari also, in Goa also. You can talk about that. I visited that and I enjoyed the sunshine at that time. Then the examiner may ask you, is it common among people in your country to enjoy the sun bath or sunshine? Hey, you may say that, yeah, in my country, usually people don't sit in the open sun removing their clothes, as it is common in the Western countries. So it all depends upon you. You have to speak what you are experiencing and what is common at your place. Hey, you need not to tell the stories or make anything fake. But if you are getting confused with any of the answer, just revolve the question around yourself. The examiner asked you, is there any time when you don't like the sunshine? You may say that it is obviously in the sunny hot days, the summer days, when I am scared of going into the open sun, because at that time the rays are very harsh. I cannot tolerate that. That's the reason I'm not able to go to the sun, and I always avoid going to the sun. Then the examiner may ask you that in many of the countries, people usually wear masks to protect from the sun. What is the reason? Can we say that the direct sunshine or direct ultraviolet rays, they sometimes may damage the skin of the people. That's the reason people cover their body with a mask and the naked part of the body by some cotton cloth to avoid direct sunshine. Hey, you may tell that in many of the countries like Australia, where there is depletion of ozone layer, unprotected, and the people are prone to have skin cancer. So all these reasons are contributing for the people to avoid sunshine That's the reason people do not go to the direct sun in many of the countries. But obviously in the winter season, it's quite enjoyable to sit in the open sky or to enjoy the cozy sunshine while enjoying some of the nuts, fruits, or some other things while sitting in the yard with the family. In this way, you may talk about this sun part or this topic related to sun. So this will be then the first part of the speaking task. That is some questions will be asked to related to this topic. Thanks for watching. Stay connected. Happy learning. And if you have not subscribed our channel yet, just subscribe it right now so that if we are uploading any new video, you should be getting the notification related to this. Thanks for watching.